Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're making a short video with I have a plant-based tofu here. So I'll cut it in black, then season it and then fry it. You can cut it small if you want. You could put it in a salad, fried rice, chow mein, any other stuff you can add it into. I usually cut it in black, fry it and eat with the pepper sauce. You can make a pesto sauce also and eat it with a pesto sauce also. Alright, so let's cut into it. I already cut a piece of it. So we can put it in this basin here and then we can season it. Alright, so I have some Cajun seasoning here. I'm going to put some of this. Not too much. I have some cayenne pepper here. The cayenne pepper gives it a nice spicy taste. I have some garlic powder here. And we got some black pepper. Add some salt, Himalayan salt, pink salt. Alright, so we can just mix it up, let all the seasoning get into it. Alright, so we can start to fry it. I have the oil here, I have the stove on medium. Both sides you fry it like about 10 minutes, 50 minutes, then you flip it. Once it gets brown, it's good. Alright, so we let that fry and then in about 10-50 minutes, then you flip it over. This is the tofu finished here. I've cut into one here. You can cut it like this, add it in the salad, and you know how you want it. You don't taste this. Real good. Alright guys, so here you have it. Plant-based tofu. I season it and fry it. So you guys can give it a try. This is a plant-based, they have the all kind of different kind. Alright guys, so see you back soon. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.